Common problems that often arise on an aging disc brake system include uneven pad wear from side to side, rapid pad wear, or pulling to one side or the other during braking. The cause of these problems is often misdiagnosed because any one of them can be caused by either the caliper or a brake hose, and your customer may often ask your advice on how to tell. The hoses carry brake fluid to the caliper. Over time, hoses can deteriorate on the inside due to age and the corrosive effects of brake fluid, which has not been properly flushed or changed. The result is a collapsed hose, which lets hydraulic pressure through to the caliper but doesn't allow it to return. The brake calipers transfer the force of hydraulic pressure through one or more pistons into a mechanical motion that squeezes the brake pads against the rotor. Calipers seize because of a worn, pitted, or corroded piston or caliper bore, or because of swollen or damaged piston seals, again, due to the age and corrosive effects of brake fluid. When calipers seize, the damaged piston is pushed outward but does not properly return into the caliper bore when hydraulic pressure is released. Whether the failed component is the hose or the caliper, the result is the same. Pressure is exerted against the brake pads and not properly released. To properly diagnose the problem, the hydraulic pressure must be released from the system. When a disc brake is dragging, if you open the bleeder screw on the caliper or loosen the bolt securing the hose to the caliper, the release of hydraulic pressure should release the grip of the caliper. If it does not, the caliper is bad, but if it does loosen, the hose is bad. Be careful though. The heat generated by dragging brakes may damage one component or the other, even if they weren't the original root cause of the problem. You may simply have to replace both. And don't forget, always replace calipers or hoses in pairs. If one side is worn out, the other side isn't far behind. When it's time for replacement, B-Pro Auto high quality, competitively priced, OE-backed brake calipers offer dependable, leak-free performance and are backed by an extensive warranty. For more information, visit our website at bproautoparts.com.